Hello everybody, this is Dr. Prachi Sankar, MD Pathologist and Laboratory Director of Thyrocare Technologies Limited. Today on World Diabetes Day, let us understand diagnosis of diabetes and the red flag signs of diabetes. So diabetes is a silent killer. Have you ever wondered why diabetes is called as the silent killer? Well, this is because the early symptoms of this disorder are really easy to miss. So globally, 537 million people, and in India, 77 million people alone are suffering from the silent pandemic of diabetes, making India the diabetic capital of the world. So diabetes is a chronic disorder where the pancreas are unable to produce insulin, or the insulin produced is not effectively used by the body. So today let us understand the symptoms and the red flags for diagnosis of diabetes, early diagnosis of diabetes. So the most common red flags to test diabetes or diagnose it early would be increased thirst and urination. So because of the increased concentration of glucose in the blood, the kidneys would want to excrete this via the urine, increasing the frequency of urination. Now, what is increased frequency of urination for a common healthy man would be a greater than 6 to 7 times of common urination in a span of 24 hours. Because of increased urination, this would lead to increased thirst, forming a vicious cycle of increased frequency of urination and thirst. The second most common symptom would be increased hunger. So even if you have eaten a complete meal, you keep feeling hungry more often. This is because the blood glucose that is present in the body is not being able to be utilized by the body due to either insulin absence or insulin resistance, causing increased hunger pangs. So the third one is unexplained weight loss. Unexplained weight loss, meaning 8 to 12 kilos of weight loss in a span of 2 months without diet fads or exercise or gym, is very common in pre-diabetics. Again, this is because the blood sugar that is present in the body is not being utilized, and thus the body uses the fat and the muscles for energy and metabolism. The fourth point would be chronic fatigue. So pre-diabetics with an increased blood glucose level usually have chronic fatigue, tiredness and irritability, again because the metabolism is totally haywire and glucose is not being utilized by the body for energy production. Fifth one is dark patches. So dark patches, also scientifically referred as acanthosis nigricans, are common patches in different areas of the body, including the neck, the groin, the armpits, the back of the knuckles, as well as the back of knees. Now these dark patches are hard, coarse and velvety in nature and a very common symptom of pre-diabetics or insulin resistance. So further we have blurred vision as a red flag of diabetes. So blurry vision is very common in diabetics and pre-diabetics, where the lens changes its shape and size due to the increased concentration of blood glucose. This condition is completely reversible if diagnosed early, or would lead to major complications later on in life. Then we also have yeast infections and slow wound healing, which is common in diabetics. Slow wound healing is a late sign of diabetes, wherein the blood circulation is affected, leading to slow or poor wound healing, especially most common being foot sores. Now that we've understood the red flags or the early symptoms of diabetes, it is always advisable to test early and diagnose and detect in time to avoid the complications of diabetes and have a carefree life. The tests that are required for diagnosis are too many. We can start with the basic glucometer tests, which are economical, easily accessible and home-based. Besides that, we have a battery of tests at the laboratory, including fasting blood glucose, postprandial blood glucose, and the gold standard HbA1c, which measures the blood glucose levels attached to the red blood cells. It is always advisable to test for diabetes starting from the age of 30 years annually if you are not a diabetic, and every 3 months for a diabetic individual. For chronic diabetes cases more than 50 or 60 years of age with a chronic history of more than 15 years, home-based tests every 15 days can be done to test. So circling back to the statistics, every 5 seconds globally we have one individual being diagnosed with diabetes. Every 10 seconds there is one death due to diabetes, and every 30 seconds a limb is lost due to diabetes. So this is the severity of the silent pandemic globally. This Diabetes Day, let's pledge to keep diabetes and its complications at bay with early and right diagnosis. Thank you.